welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, it's gym day again. Now, if you're probably wondering how I'm one size in one video and another size in the other video, listen, y'all, I've been sitting on content for a very long time. Never really was motivated to post anything on YouTube, and I'm like, you know what? It's 2025. Let me start my YouTube journey. So I have been going through all my content and creating videos for y'all. I've had 2 weight loss journeys, okay? My first journey, I was 360 pounds. I had weight loss surgery, and then I dropped all the way down to like 160. And then I had my son, birth control, you know how all that goes. So your girl got thick again. I got up to like 230, and then I just realized like it was time for me to start losing weight again. So I started my weight loss journey again. So I've been on this journey about a year now. My starting weight was 230, and now I'm currently sitting at like 170, 173. So like I said, if you see my videos and my weight sound like all over the place, it's because I'm catching up on content. So I'm about to content dump on y'all, okay? So yeah, thank y'all for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Your girl is trying to get to 500 subscribers, okay? So YouTube can start paying me, all right? I'm close. I'm almost to 300, and I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I love y'all. I have some more things coming for y'all real soon, and I mean real soon, that I think all my subscribers here on YouTube and also TikTok will love. And I really thank y'all for all y'all support. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Bye.